Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys Bluetooth setting. In this video friends, I will show you guys how can you connect guys your Bluetooth headphone with your phone. Guys, you want to connect guys your headphone, you have this headphone, and guys you want to connect with your phone. So man, how can you connect in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting to connect your headphone. So we will on our phone setting guys, and guys we will scroll it friends. You can see this type of setting in your infinix phone guys. You will have to click on guys your more connection setting guys, and guys click on your phone bluetooth setting. First of all guys, you will have to on guys your headphone. So you on your guys headphones. So we will on our headphone, and guys we will on our phone bluetooth setting with refresh setting. Refresh your bluetooth setting guys first of all. Then guys we will have to wait. So friends, you can see your Bluetooth headphone name. So just click on your headphone name. Then guys, it will connect. You can see the notification guys. Tap here to connect. It will connect active. And guys, you can use guys while operating any app, listening song, watching cartoons, movies. You can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.